Hello everybody. In today's video I will be showing you how to quickly access Emoji keyboard. Windows 10 is the most popular desktop operating system in the world, and while Windows 11 is nipping at its heels, most of us will still be running Microsoft's current OS for the foreseeable future. And even if you use it every day, there's always more to learn. Maybe you don't consider yourself a power user, or perhaps you've made the leap from macOS to Windows. Whatever your comfort level, these tips will help you get more out of your Windows 10 experience. Some of these tricks originated from an older generation of Windows, while others are new to this iteration. Emojis have become more popular than anyone could have ever imagined, and while it's easier to access them on a mobile device, there is no apparent way to quickly access emojis on your Windows machine. Not many people know about this feature, but Windows 10 actually allows you to quickly access an emoji keyboard with just a few clicks. Here's how to do it. All you need to do is enable this feature first. To access Emoji keyboard, first enable the virtual keyboard button by right-clicking on the taskbar and clicking on the Show Touch Keyboard button. Now, whenever you want to access Emoji keyboard, first click on the Touch Keyboard button in the bottom right and then click on the emoji symbol. Here, you can select and use all the emojis that you want to. But before you start using emojis, remember to learn the emoji meanings so you don't send the wrong emojis and make a fool of yourself. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.